Type CMD here. Run as administrator. SFC/scannow and hit enter. Process will start 1 to 100%. Then type DISM/online/cleanup image/CheckHealth and hit enter. Next type DISM/online/cleanup image/ScanHealth. It will also start 0 to 100%, 64%, 84%, 100%. Now we need to restore health. Type DISM/online/cleanup image/RestoreHealth and hit enter. It starts 0 to 100%. Close the command prompt, restart your PC and check the movement of your mouse. If still facing problem, type here device manager. Go to mice and other pointer devices, HID compliant mouse, right click and update driver. The best driver for your device are already installed. Close. Then right click again and uninstall device. After uninstall, close device manager and restart your PC. Then check the movement of your mouse. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.